Hi, this is Jim Show most webcomics reviews and interviews. Today's tip of the day, collect games. As a writer, you're going to need inspiration. I mean, straight up. The more you get inspired by something, the more you actually want to do something, the more likely you are to do it. And on top of that, the more likely you are to actually have fun with it and embrace it. Just simply love it to the ever-loving death. Because of this, we need to go out and find things that will inspire us, that will cause us to actually want to dive in and just see what it's all about. And guess what? These are available for you at your local comic book shop for $10 to $60 a shot. They're available online for pretty much the same price. These are called games. Now, obviously, I'm going to be recommending tabletop role-playing games here, but hey, if you can find a video game that you absolutely love, so be it. That's basically great. Anything that helps to get you inspired. What's really cool about the games they go through, they show how the campaign is supposed to work, which basically means they go through and have a lot of fun with it. They basically take it apart, show the races, show the graphics, and all this other cool stuff that you as a writer can just simply go in and go, hey, this is cool. There are toys for me to play with here. This is an incredibly great little playground. Even if you don't use that stuff directly, you're still going to be inspired to try some stuff on your own. You're going to be wanting to try some characters that are nothing but daring do. You're going to want to try healers. You want to try mages. You want to try rogues. You're going to want to try anything that you can pick up and shoot, blast, or otherwise just cause as much damage as absolutely possible with. And then you're going to see all the monsters. You're going to see dragons. You're going to see drow. You're going to see space zombies. You know, the bottom line is that you're going to basically find all this really cool inspiration in a book, which is pretty much right up your alley anyway. Or you're going to find it in a video game. Okay, not so much, but we can work with this. But the bottom line is that you can take these games and retool them to whatever you need them to do. These are really great instruments of inspiration and definitely something you need to be looking into. So when it comes down to it, if you want to get some inspiration and have a little bit of fun, go ahead and collect as many games as you possibly can. Hope this has helped. If it has, please check me out at Webcomics Reviews and Interviews, available at any podcast distributor near you. Thank you and have a great day.